In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy champions in League of Legends. Let's start right from the client. Once you're logged in and the home screen has loaded, look to the top right corner. You'll see the store icon that looks like a small stack of coins. Click that to open the in-game store. This is where all your purchases happen, from cosmetics to, of course, champions. Across the top of the store, you'll find several tabs. Click on the one labeled Champions. This switches the store to the full champion catalog. You can scroll through the grid to browse, which is great if you're just exploring, or you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific champion by name. On the left side, there are filters to narrow things down. These let you sort by role, difficulty, price, and whether you already own the champion. If you're new or on a budget, filtering by unowned and sorting by price can help you spot affordable options fast. When you see a champion you're interested in, click it to open the champion's page. Here, you'll see details like the champion's role, a short description, and most importantly, the price in two currencies, RP and Blue Essence. RP is the premium currency, while Blue Essence is earned through gameplay, leveling, and disenchanting champion shards. The price buttons make it clear what each option costs, and you'll also see your current balance, so you can tell at a glance if you have enough. If you're ready to buy, choose how you want to pay. Pick either the RP option or the Blue Essence option based on what you have available. Click the price button to proceed. The client may ask you to confirm the purchase. Just review the details and confirm. Once it goes through, that's it. The champion is unlocked and added to your collection automatically. A quick tip before you finalize. If you're undecided, try using the search filters to compare a few champions in the same role or difficulty range. It's also smart to check your Blue Essence balance first. Saving B for champions you know you'll use can help you stretch your resources. And if a price is grayed out, it usually means you don't have enough of that currency, so you can switch to the other option if available. To recap, open the store with the coin icon, switch to the Champions tab, browser search, click the champion you want, and buy with either RP or Blue Essence. Simple, clear, and you're ready to play.